Hi, today I will be showing you how to replace your existing Apple Watch band with your new fancy band. Shown is our Sugar Skull silicone watch band, as well as our colorful chevron black print silicone band, both by Fancy Bands. To start, you'll need to flip your watch over and locate the buttons on either side of the watch. With gentle pressure, you want to depress these buttons and slide the existing watch band out of the channel. Repeat on the other side, using firm but gentle pressure to allow the watch band to slide out of that channel. Sometimes you'll need to give it a little wiggle to get it started, but it should slip out easily once the button is depressed. Now that we have our existing watch bands removed, we can move on to replacing it with our new fancy band. Separate the two halves and take the corner of your new watch band and slide it into the channel of your Apple Watch, with the print facing up towards the screen. Once you feel it slide and lock into place, you can repeat that same motion on the other side. You will hear and feel a click as it slides into place. Now you're ready to enjoy your new fancy band.